Hello artists! In this video I'm going to show you how to make your own game board. I know that I've played my games over and over and over and need something new to play but can't go to the store to get one right now. So I'm going to talk about theme and how we pick out a theme. I chose Spring Vacation for my theme. I also included some game board elements like slide through here and oh, this happens so you get to move forward, or go up the ladder, which means you have to go backwards. So as I'm creating this, I'd like you to think about your own elements, your own theme, what kind of things you would like to include on your game board. Let's get started.
Begin creating your game board by drawing a shape such as a star, square, circle, rectangle, or triangle for the finish. The finish is the end of the game, so in a sense we are working backwards. Write finish inside the shape. From the start, draw a straight or curved line going down the paper, then make it about an inch wide by drawing a second line that is parallel or equally distant from that line. Continue drawing parallel lines around your paper until you have a finished map or path. Now that we know where this game is going to, draw another shape for the start. When playing your game, you will place all of the game pieces on this shape. Draw lines across the path to create spaces. Now decide on a theme for your game board. I chose Spring Vacation for my theme. I heard a lot of students say that they were going to go to Hawaii for spring vacation, so I decided to do some waves in a palm tree, and an infinity loop for a roller coaster, a super quick Mickey Mouse head for Disneyland, and a birthday hat. However, you can include whatever you would like on your game board and do whichever theme you would like. Some examples that I've seen students create in the past are video game themes and sports themes. To make the game more interesting, you can include what are called chutes and ladders, or slides and stairs. When a player lands on the slide, they get to slide down from that space to another space that is further along the game board. When a player lands on a ladder, though, they have to go up the ladder back on the game board. I like to include lines that show the direction the player needs to go when they land on those spaces. Next, create actions for the spaces that have a decoration next to them. The actions can be positive and have the player move forward or do something extra. They can also be negative and have the player lose turns or move backwards several. An example could be, "It's your birthday, go forward 2 spaces," or "Ate too much cake, lose a turn." I hope you enjoy creating your own game board and can't wait to see what you create. Video by Tara Gary, music Medtempo Rock by Audiotrix.com.